How to use Scroll Bridge by Symbiosis, token transfer and exchange. Scroll has been one of Symbiosis' biggest campaigns in recent times. We made it to the top of Scroll dApps by Galx, crucially enhanced the user experience around this network, and strive to make your swapping even easier, more transparent and profitable. Today, we'll be adding to our collection of videos on how to create a variety of Symbiosis cross-chain bridges. Here is a concise guide on creating Scroll bridges to make your stay with us even more comfortable. First things first, connect your wallet to the Symbiosis system. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the swap page. Pick your favorite EVM wallet or opt for the lightning-fast Wallet Connect choice. We'll be using MetaMask, but you're free to get any of your own faves. Head to the Transfer From zone, pick your preferred network and asset. In our case, we have chosen the Arbitrum One network and the ETH asset. Then, zoom over to the Transfer To and pick scroll and token that suit your needs best. Input the amount you want to exchange. Double-check the receiving address. Need those funds in a different wallet? Hit the Receive ETH to another wallet button and input the address. Just make sure it's not from an exchange. Double-check the details at the bottom of your screen. You can also set the slippage tolerance, which is by default set at 2%, but feel free to adjust it according to your preferences. If your chosen network isn't set, just click that Switch Network button. You're good to go. Once you're satisfied with all the details, hit the Swap button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and sit back while the magic happens. Congratulations! Your exchange is a success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and exclusive campaigns.